Maria was 43 when her health insurance denied the surgery her doctor said she needed. The letter said it was not medically necessary. Her doctor disagreed. So did she. The procedure cost $40,000. Without insurance covering it, Maria couldn't pay. With the denial letter sitting on her kitchen table, she did what most people do. She panicked. Then she did something most people don't. She appealed. And she won. Here's exactly what she did, and what you need to know if you ever face the same situation. Step 1. Maria called her insurance company and asked for the specific reason for denial in writing. Not the summary on the letter, the actual clinical criteria they used to make the decision. Insurance companies use internal guidelines called clinical coverage criteria. You have a right to see exactly which criteria your claim failed to meet. Step 2. She called her doctor and said, "My insurance denied this. I need you to write a letter of medical necessity and call them directly." This is critical. Most denials are overturned not because of paperwork, but because a doctor got on the phone with the insurance company's medical reviewer. The reviewer is also a doctor. Peer-to-peer reviews, doctor to doctor, overturn denials at a dramatically higher rate than written appeals alone. Step 3. Maria filed a formal internal appeal within the 30-day window on her denial letter. Missing that window can eliminate your right to appeal. In her appeal, she included a letter from her surgeon, 3 published medical studies supporting the necessity of the procedure, and a personal statement explaining the impact on her daily life. Step 4. Her internal appeal was denied again. This is common. It's also not the end. She immediately filed for an external independent review, a review conducted by medical experts who have no financial relationship with her insurance company. Federal law requires insurance companies to accept external review decisions. They cannot simply override them. The external reviewer sided with Maria. The surgery was covered. Total time from first denial to final approval, 67 days. Here's what most people don't know. Insurance companies deny claims knowing that most people will not appeal. The appeal rate is under 1%. The overturn rate for those who do appeal is over 40%. Read that again. More than 4 in 10 people who appeal a denial get it reversed. If your insurance denies a claim, get the denial reason in writing. Ask for a peer-to-peer review. File your internal appeal within 30 days, and if that fails, request external review. You are not at the mercy of that first denial letter. Maria proved that. So can you. I have a full insurance appeal letter template with exact language that works, available at funbiz.gumroad.com. Get the insurance appeal letter template at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.